The American Disability Act, ADA, of 1990 marked a significant milestone in the fight for disability rights in the United States. This legislation aimed to end discrimination against people with disabilities and ensure equal opportunities for them in various aspects of life, such as employment, transportation, public accommodations, and telecommunications. The need for the ADA. Before the ADA, people with disabilities faced numerous barriers to full participation in society. They were often denied access to jobs, education, and other opportunities because of their disabilities. This discrimination was based on harmful stereotypes and misconceptions about what individuals with disabilities could and could not do. The ADA aimed to change this by ensuring that people with disabilities have the same rights and opportunities as everyone else. The provisions of the ADA. The ADA is a federal law that provides protections to individuals with disabilities in different areas of life. The law consists of 5 titles that each address a different aspect of disability rights. Title I, Employment of Employment Discrimination. Employers are prohibited from discriminating against individuals with disabilities in their hiring process, job training, promotions, or any other aspect of employment. Employers must also provide reasonable accommodations for individuals with disabilities unless doing so would cause an undue hardship. Reasonable accommodations may include modifying work hours, modifying the workplace, or providing assistive technology. Title II, Public Services. Title II of the ADA ensures that individuals with disabilities have equal access to state and local government programs and services. This title applies to all state and local government entities regardless of size and requires them to provide services and programs that are accessible to individuals with disabilities. Title III, Public Accommodations. Title III of the ADA requires public accommodations such as hotels, restaurants, stores, and movie theaters to be accessible to individuals with disabilities. This title applies to private entities that are open to the public regardless of size and requires them to provide equal access to their goods and services. Title IV, Telecommunications. Title IV of the ADA ensures that individuals with disabilities have access to telecommunication services, such as telephones and television, with the appropriate accommodations. This title applies to all common carriers, including telephone companies, and requires them to provide equal access to their services. Title V, Miscellaneous Provisions. Title V of the ADA outlines various miscellaneous provisions in the ADA, including the authority of the Attorney General to enforce the law and the availability of technical assistance. This title also includes provisions that address the relationship between the ADA and other federal laws, such as the Fair Housing Act, and the availability of monetary damages and attorney's fees in ADA cases. Empowering people with disabilities, the legacy of the ADA. The American Disability Act, ADA of 1990, has left a lasting impact on disability rights in the United States. It has helped to break down barriers and has empowered people with disabilities to participate fully in society. The ADA has ensured that people with disabilities have equal opportunities in employment, transportation, public accommodations, and telecommunications. It has also helped to change attitudes and raise awareness about the abilities and contributions of people with disabilities. As we look to the future, it is crucial that we continue to work towards ensuring that people with disabilities have equal rights and opportunities. The legacy of the ADA serves as a reminder of the progress that has been made and the work. Challenges and limitations. Despite the progress that has been made since the ADA was enacted, there are still many challenges and limitations that people with disabilities face. For example, some employers still do not provide reasonable accommodations, and many public accommodations are still not fully accessible. Additionally, enforcement of the ADA has been a challenge, and many individuals with disabilities still face discrimination in various aspects of life. Conclusion. The ADA has been a critical step towards equality for people with disabilities in the United States. It has helped to break down barriers and has ensured that people with disabilities have equal opportunities in employment, transportation, public accommodations, and telecommunications. However, much work remains to be done to ensure that people with disabilities can fully participate in society and enjoy the same rights and opportunities as everyone else. That concludes our video. To stay updated on all our new content, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications. Goodbye for now and take care. Thanks for watching.